Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable drivers updates in Windows updates. So when we go to settings and check for updates or Windows updates. So when we check for updates or Windows by default automatically downloads drivers as well. So but we do, let's say if you are having a sound driver of Realtek and the update is giving you issues, but on every update it will download and install. Okay, so let's disable only the drivers which is included with the Windows update. Okay, so what we have to go to the reg edit, and then we select local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows. Okay, and expand this. Now we usually by default we don't have a key named Windows update, okay, because that's a group policy. So what we will do is we will create a new key named Windows update. All right, and then inside it we will create new default 32-bit value. Okay, and then it should be exclude WU drivers in quality update. Okay, so we make its value as a 1. Okay, there you go, make it 1, press OK. That's it. And now we will restart our system. Yeah, its name is exclude WU, which is stand for Windows Update. Anyway, restart. All right, now on restart, when you check for update or download, Windows download any update, it won't include the drivers which are already installed, like hardware which is already installed in your system. All right, go to settings, Windows update. All right, there you go. So when we go to advanced option, okay, and then there is one more option written as configured update policies. It's in the end, and then you see it shows exclude driver for Windows quality update. Okay, this is how it shows in Windows 11. Let's say you have Windows 10. I'm going to show you Windows 10 as well. Okay, let's get outside this VMware, go to settings, about, there you go. On Windows 10 it looks like this. Some settings are managed by your organization, and when we click on here it shows that exclude drivers from Windows quality update. That's it. See you in the next video guys. Have a good one. Do follow, subscribe and like. Take care.